The EPL-TL-1X10W-C-DF-PA Class 1 Division 1 and Class 2 Division 1 LED signal light with Audible Horn from Larson Electronics is approved for use in hazardous environments where explosive and flammable gases, vapors, and dust exist or stand the potential to exist, as well as wet locations and marine environments. This explosion-proof signal stack light offers both strobing and steady burn signal operations within industrial refueling stations and processing status indications in manufacturing facilities. The multi-function LED lamp allows operators to switch between steady burn, strobing, and off. This unit is rated for Class 1 Division 1 and Class 2 Division 1 work environments, T3 temperature rated, weatherproof and dustproof, and NEMA 4X and marine rated for wet environments. This indicator light has a 50,000 hour lifespan and the unit works on 120 or 240 volts AC or 24 volt DC configurations for standard or low voltage operation. The explosion-proof audible alarm setup sounds a unique tone per the user setting. This fixture is a powerful alert and signal system that can withstand demanding conditions and be heard over the operation of industrial machinery and equipment. A NEMA 4X rated explosion-proof junction box protects the internal wiring and can be tapped in order to connect this stack light to power sources. This explosion-proof signal light is durable and can operate in any weather condition. The 10-watt lamp in this hazardous location stack light provides high output invisible signal colored LED lamp with a lifespan of 50,000 hours. It is protected by a durable Pyrex globe and cast aluminum globe guards for added durability. The housing on this explosion and waterproof stack light is constructed of heavy-duty aluminum while the horn is made of fiberglass. The entire unit is finished in a durable gray powder coat for resistance to corrosion. Wiring is through a 3/4 inch NPT conduit access hub. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.